Yes, I am an expert at waves and hair. That's why the title is called Wave Expert. Breaks down how to properly wash your waves. Wave Expert. Yeah. What's up, everybody? 360 Juice here, back with another video and another video for you guys. It is WAVEMAS day 19. Day 19, man. We got 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I thought we had 5. 25. We have 6 more days of WAVEMAS until the final day of WAVEMAS. And then I do my giveaway to 5 of you guys on my Instagram. I'm actually going live on Instagram and I'm picking 5 winners for the giveaway. So if you guys are not already part of the giveaway, go on my Instagram and follow the instructions and become part of the giveaway so you can get a chance to win some 26 King Wavy merch. Alright, so it's another day in the garage, and today it is 36 degrees, man. It's bold in here, it's cold. 36 degrees and I'm freezing. I don't know if y'all can see the little, I don't know if what you call it, the smoke that's coming out of my mouth, but it's freaking freezing. My hands are cold, and I just want to get this video over with so I can edit and upload for y'all. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. I talk too darn much.
Me rapping, they know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright, so look, quick watch and go with me, okay? I'm gonna tell you guys the truth about this video, and I'm gonna break everything down. First off, this was not supposed to be a wash and go, and this video was not supposed to be 10 minutes long. This video was supposed to be at least 15 minutes because I was supposed to be brushing. If you guys didn't watch this video, I just brushed with a detangling shower brush. After the detangling shower brush, I was actually supposed to brush with a hard brush, but my camera died, yo. So I was like, dang, I can't even record the whole video because my camera died. So what I did was, I just, thought of something quick. So I just called it the wash and go and just showed you guys the detangling shower brush part. And I didn't show you guys the actual part when I'm brushing with a hard brush. So it's just like, dang, I had to think of something real quick. But yeah, first thing I do here is I'm wetting my hair. And let me just mute this. I just wet my hair with warm water because I need my pores to open up so I could get all the dirt out of it. You feel me? With the shampoo. Alright, you gotta wet that hair. This how long I be taking, y'all? I'm gonna skip that joint right now. Hurry up, bro. Taking man long, yo. Okay, now apply that shampoo. Look at all that water dripping on my shirt, yo. Now you apply that shampoo in. Now the first wash, as I always say, is not gonna lather up the way I mean, it's kind of lathering up right there, but it's not gonna lather up the way you want it to, because what it's doing, the first wash is cleaning out all the products and the dirt that's in your hair. So all of that mixed with the shampoo is not gonna get that clean lather you're looking for. Alright, and then once you get that lather, or once you get that first wash and you rinse it out, it's gonna be mad dirt coming out. You're gonna be like, yo, I'm dirty, cuz I'm dirty. You're not dirty, it's just dried up product and dry skin put together turned into dirt. You feel me? All of us got that. So now we're going with the second wash, right? The reason I do the second wash is for the styling part. The first wash was the cleaning part. The second part, the second wash, is for me to style my hair. When I say styling, it means I don't wash my hair just like everybody else because I have waves. And when I wash my hair, I can't just leave my hair out and just let it dry, because it's going to be hard for me to lay it back down. The goal of waivers, the goal of mine when I'm washing my hair is to keep my hair laid and also clean my hair as well. So right here, this is the styling part. I'm just gonna take my detailing shower brush and just go in with it and just try to lay my hair down as much as possible. And it's easier to lay your hair down at a wet stage because your hair is very manipulative in that state. Manipulative. I'll try to say some big words. And as y'all can see, the lather is much better with the second wash, which is really what I look for when I'm washing my hair. Like, the lather determines how laid your hair is going to be, and determines how much progress you're gonna have during that washing style. You feel me? So always look for that lather. And as y'all can see, I did transition to a swirl pattern. So everything else is basically the same except for my crown. My crown is going to look like a tornado. Not a tornado, but like a a hurricane. That's what I'm going for, and it's still a little new to me, but I'm getting there, and my crown's coming in the way I wanted to, kind of. But yeah, man, experience is the best teacher. So a couple months ahead, I might become an expert at that pattern too, just like I was with my beehive pattern. But yeah, I just keep brushing that in, and then now I'm going for my crown. The detangling shower brush is basically just taking all the tangled up hair after the first wash. It's detangling it and putting everything into place. And then at this point right here, my camera started acting retarded, and then it just said that, oh, your camera's about to die, cuz you better do something. I'm like, dang, my hand's wet. I can't charge my camera because I don't want to wait for it to charge up and let my, let the shampoo dry up in my hair. So I gotta end it right here, man. I gotta end it right here. So what I did was I just went in with the detangling shower brush, and then y'all couldn't see when I went in with the brush session. So hence the reason why I call it a wash and go, quick wash and go at that, because you could definitely do this. You don't have to brush, okay? The goal of a washing style is mainly to clean your hair, but also the styling part is to lay your hair down. And a detangling shower brush could do really good at laying your hair down, as long as you going with the pattern of your waves. You could lay your hair down the way you want to. It might not look as laid as if it would be if you would have went with a brush, okay? Because the brush has more pull, and it could put your hair back into position way better than the detangling shower brush would ever would. I'm trying to pick the right words, y'all. Bear with me, alright? But yeah, so y'all can see I just came straight from the detangling shower brush and went straight to laying my hair down. And I skipped that whole part, man. I skipped the whole part when I went with the brush session. You can still do this without a brush session, alright? It's still gonna be effective. Still gonna clean your hair, alright? Now what I'm doing is basically laying my hair down. This technique right here is to help lay your hair down, lay the loose hairs down before ragging up. Yes, sir. You see that, man? I'm trying to lay it down. I'm showing y'all. I'm laying my hair down, yo. Now I do this for however long it takes for my hair to lay down. Okay, I do this to the point where, like, if I don't like the way my hair looks, I'm gonna keep going until I get it to lay down to my liking. Okay, that's why I do this, and every waver should do this after you finish your washing styles to get maximum lay before you put that do-rag on, because that's the best, man. When you're wolfing and you unrag and you're gonna super laid to the guards, yo, that's the best right there. That's what you always gotta look for. That's what you always gotta aim for. And y'all can see that hurricane pattern that I'm looking for. It's kind of like a swirl pattern, like the Sharingan or the Shuriken. You feel me? I say Sharingan because I'm saying in the American accent, but in the Japanese accent you'd be like Sharingan, Sharing, ding, ding. It's like a D. Sounds like a D. But yeah, you rinse out the hair. I said the hair. You rinse out the shampoo out of your hair, and then after you rinse out the shampoo, you can either go with cold water or you can go with warm water. Alright, it don't matter. But I changed the do-rag when my hair was dried up and everything. So yeah. Hey y'all, I really didn't feel like coming in this garage today, but I can't leave y'all hanging, man. We got 6 more days of WAVEMAS, 6 more videos for WAVEMAS, and then after that we on to that cut, man. I just want that fresh shape up taper so I can show y'all that my hairline is not as bad as it seems, okay? So I can finally go on TikTok and do a wave check, cause they be coming crazy for me, man. I be doing them TikTok reactions. They be like, show your waves. No, I can't show my waves because I don't got a haircut, and y'all gonna make fun of me. Wait till I get that haircut. Wait till I get that haircut on the 29th, alright? Hey, y'all, thank you for watching this video. Appreciate y'all. I'm gonna keep coming with the bangers, man. Appreciate y'all for wanting 60K. Road to 200K. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do so right now. And don't forget to smash that like button for your boy. It's your boy 360 Juice. And I'm out of here. Peace.